Example 4. Oh, look, guys are trying to trick us because they put decimals in the equation. I wonder if I do it differently. No, I do it exactly the same way. Alright, so I'm going to use my red pen here and look for the x-intercept. And when I look for the x-intercept, I make the y 0, so 2.1 times, whoa, that's not what I want, 2.1x plus 3.5 times what? Huh? That's right, 0 for the y. So I'm going to get 2.1x plus 0 is equal to 10.5. That's 2.1x is equal to 10.5. I'm going to divide both sides by 2.1. Okay? And x equals, I wonder, it's 5, guys. Alright? You can do the long division for it if you'd like, but that's what that equals. Okay? So the coordinates are going to be 5, 0 for the x-intercept. I will do the, hey, I'm going to do the y-intercept in black. How about that? That's new. Alright? And I'm going to make the x 0. So 2.1 times 0, well, that didn't work well. 2.1 times 0 plus 3.5 y is equal to 10.5. That's going to give me 0 plus 3.5 y is equal to 10.5. And that's going to give me 3.5y is equal to 10.5. And I'm going to divide by 3.5 on both sides. Can you guess what it is? Can you think about it for a minute? That's right, 3. So the coordinates for the y-intercept are 0, because the x is always 0 for a y-intercept, and 3. Okay, now when I draw my graph over here, let's see, the x-intercept's 5, so 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Let me extend that just a little bit there. Okay. How about if we do that? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Alright, that's my x-intercept. I'll do that in red because I did the equation in red. Okay, and then my y-intercept is 3. 1, 2, 3. I'm going to do that one in black, although it may be a little harder to see it, but there it is. And then I'll graph it, how about in green? Alright, there and there. Alright. Now remember, guys, what I told you earlier in an earlier lesson. A graph is a picture of all of the solutions to an equation. And remember, when I've got an equation with two variables like x and y here, okay, x and y, that means I've got an infinite number of solutions, because if x goes down, y can go up to give us 10. Alright, so that can always change, and they can be decimals and fractions. And so we're going to have a solid line because there are infinite solutions to that equation. And that line represents all of them, graphed, their x-coordinates and their y-coordinates. Alright, I'm rambling on, but you know me in math. That's what happens. Alright, guys, good job. I think that you're ready for this section. Go do your homework.